Yes, sir. Oldie but goodie. But I gotta tell you folks, this is a 2-owner unit with over 30 dealer service records. It's about as sound and straight as they come. It drives down the road perfectly. It blows ice cold air. It's never been smoked and it's never been in an accident. The body is poker straight. It has leather with heated seats. It has the 3800 Series 3 motor in it, which is the best GM's probably produced in a while. It is a CXL edition, so it has all the windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, driver's seat, etc. Extremely nice car. Take a look at the inside of this vehicle. Look at how clean. Obviously been well taken care of all through its life and garaged. The car is solid. Again, everything works on it and it drives 110%. Got a super nice set of good years on it. Solid, straight. Guaranteed credit approval. Yeah, we can get this one done. Down payment, you got it. You're looking at somewhere around $595 starting down payment. Check out this side. Look at the carpets. Look at the inside of this car. Super nice. Come on down, folks, DasCleveland.com. Bring a couple paycheck stubs, bring a smile. Give me 45 minutes of your time, and let me get you riding in something that's one owner, perfect Carfax, never been in an accident, no stories. This is the place, and we're here all day. DasCleveland.com.